Hey, my name is Nabil and I am managing TikTok shop account Seller Central with my team. We are working as a team and about 20 members are working in my team. Here is the account. Uh, you can see it's only for 28 days. These are not for 28 days. You can see these are the only for 15 days. These are the sales are only for 15 days because I created this account for my client a month ago, and we start working at this account about 20 days ago. And you these are the sales are organically, and are the 20 days sales. And here you can see we generated only 55 from video, and 73.5 our revenue from affiliate. And you can see here almost all the revenue are the organically. And we sell 380 units we have been sold within 20 days. And this time our seller center is out of stock, so that's why because my client if my client have a budget about 10k pound, then we can generate 20k pound 20k pound revenue within a month. And here for this account our profit margin is about 70 to 80% our ROI. And let me show you this is for one day, and this time only one listing is active, so that's why we generated only one sale. And I think this morning start, so that's why sale here you can see the sales after 2 hours. And our daily sales are the daily sales about for UK market, daily sales 70 to 80 daily sales. And this time this account is out of stock, so that time here the sales are very low. And if you want to start your account, then we will handle, and I hope we can get 20k pound monthly revenue. Okay, let me show you my sales stat. Here is my sales stat. Okay, here you can see all my total revenue almost organically, and 1.9% from video content. And video content means affiliate. Let me show you is 28 days revenue. Here is my 7.9k revenue from my this is the revenue for my account. And 349 units we have been sold for this account within 20 days. And here you can see almost all the products are selling organically, but 0.8% the revenue is through video content, you can see. And let me click at this affiliate section, and no one sales from affiliate, only 1% from affiliate. And the totally sales 98%, 98.9% are the non-affiliate. And amazing. And for TikTok shop, so we are generating organical sales. TikTok shop is more better than the other platforms like Amazon. Amazon needs more spending. After spending you can get sales. I don't know you can get better profit, but for TikTok shop we can get 20 not for 80 to 90% ROI. And we can, if we talk about in dollars or pounds, we can get about $10 for each order. If you will get about 500 orders in a month, then please think how much you can get revenue if you will get $10 per order profit margin. Only for one orders you will get 10 orders profit margin. I think the one thing is that the profit margin is about 80% the profit margin. If you need my services, then I am here. I will guide you. I will manage your account, and I hope I will skyrocket your account. And I hope we will work at the future. Okay, take care.